Hi guys, so I decided to give a review of this product. No, in no shape or form I am getting paid or sponsored by Dollar Tree. I just wanted to see if this product will work in my oven, being that my oven was very nasty. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch the video and you will be the judge of it. But let's see. So before I start scrubbing this oven, I'm gonna go ahead and protect my hands by putting some cleaning gloves. I'm gonna start by removing these rags so I can clean them afterwards. And I do suggest you open up a window or a door just to let all the fumes out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the product all around the oven. Now, the directions of this product states that you just spray it and then wipe it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try to see what happens. So I went ahead and take this paper towel and I wiped it out, but I didn't notice a lot coming out, so I decided to just spray the whole thing again and let it sit for 15 minutes. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub it down with this green pad, and then I'm also gonna use Brillo and see what works best. When it comes to wiping or cleaning the oven, I rather use paper towels just because I could toss it. I know a rag would get so nasty and filthy, so I prefer using paper towels. One thing I can tell you about this product is that even though I am spraying it liberally and my face is inside the oven, I know, but it's not as strong as the Easy Off. When you know the Easy Off has that strong smell to it that you have to run as soon as you spray it, this one is not as strong. And because I was not totally satisfied with the look, I went ahead and sprayed it down again and gave it another scrub. I already had left some of that spray sitting on the rags, but I went ahead and continued to spray while I was scrubbing. So now I'm just putting the racks back in the oven. All right, so now my honest opinion about the product is that you have to put a lot of elbow grease in order to remove stains, like meaning you really have to scrub in order to remove grease and dirt from your oven. So I believe that a product that you purchase is something that has to work more for you than what you work for it. So that's why I don't think I'll buy this product ever again. I know you notice that the door from this oven is very greasy or very dirty, but in order to get that clean, I would have to take a screwdriver and remove the glass. Now, I would not remove it now because now I know the product doesn't thoroughly work, so I will have to get something that will work better. Let me know if you have a favorite cleaning product for your oven. If you do, comment down below. Also, don't forget to like if you enjoy this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would like to have you be part of my YouTube family.